Hi. So I want to take you through a gratitude practice that I do each evening before I fall asleep. It's actually a lovely way to shift the energies and also be living in a life of more gratitude so that I can have the best possible sleep. So the first thing that I do is I get myself ready for bed as usual, and then I can do this either from a lying position, lying in bed, nice and comfortable, or I can do it sometimes seated at the edge of the bed. So you can modify that as you like. And I start to go through the list of all the things that I'm grateful for that happened during that day. It can be the events that happened, it can be the activities that I did, it could be people, places, things, anything like that. You can make the list as expansive as possible because it's really nice to kind of go through each segment of your day and have moments of gratitude for it. Now, this can be kind of challenging if we've had a bad day. So usually if I've had a bad day or some rough starts or challenges during the day, I start to think about simple things. Maybe things like, I'm breathing right now. I got food in my belly. I was able to eat dinner today. I have a roof over my head and I have a comfortable bed that I'm lying in at the moment. So you can start to make those lists working from those very simple things, and see if you can expand from that. And it'll be surprising how many times that you can expand from that. You start to notice, oh, that actually happened. That was good. And that happened. That was good. So this is just an invitation to shift your mindset out of the negative and find some more positive. After I've made that list, then I ask that all the guides, guardian angels, the beings that watch over me, I believe that there's a whole group of beings that watch over me and watch over each and every one of us. I ask that they support my sleep for that night, that I have a restful, restorative sleep and I'm ready to go on the next day. And I usually say 7 to 8 hours so that I make sure that I have a good sleep. Now you can make this as precise as you'd like. That's the nice thing about intentions. When you honor yourself, make it as specific as possible. And that's a great way to maximize it and support the chance of it manifesting the way that you want. After I do that, then I ask that those same guides, guardian angels that watch over me, begin to release those things that weren't supportive. The things that were perhaps the emotions that I experienced or the thoughts that I experienced that didn't support me. So also any energy beings that attach to me that are kind of like hitchhikers or stowaways that don't support my highest good, help them be released. Any cords that have been attached to me, those things that make your mind spin. So you can start to invite those to be released. However, I ask that any lessons that I needed to learn because of those, hold on to the lessons, add light to them, and give them back to me at the appropriate time to maximize my learning growth and most of all, my understanding of what the lesson is so that I can take that lesson and move forward with it. So these are some of the things I like to do. And then after I have done that, I set the energies for the next day. What would best, you can think of the things you're going to have happen, the things that you know, but also the things maybe you don't know, the surprises. Let them support your highest good. And just kind of go through the list and set those energies and that they work out for the best possible outcome. And finally, after I've done all of that, the last thing that I do is I ask that this be the benefit for all beings. So I don't want it to be just for me. I want it to be for all the planet, because the goal is that we all move forward in our highest good and work more from a high vibrational space. So I just find this to be a very beneficial practice for me. Helps me sleep better, helps me be more living a life more of gratitude. And it sets the tone for my life that makes me feel like I'm moving forward. Feel free to do that, take that and use that, modify it as it works for you, and find your own version, but it's a great way to shift your energy and have a more restful sleep. So I hope that helps. Take care.